Let us take some more examples on beta function. We have to evaluate integration under the limit 3 to 7 of x minus 3 whole to the power 1 by 4 into 7 minus x whole to the power 1 by 4. We know that beta of mn equal to integration under the limit 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 with respect to x. Now, in this question, our aim is to reduce this integration into the form of this. Then we are able to get our answer. For this purpose, we have to put x minus 3. This x minus 3 should be equal to 40. How we get 40? It is nothing but what is the lower limit minus upper limit. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. If you put x minus 3 equal to 40, what is dx? Dx is equal to 4 dt. Also, if x is 3, if x is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, then the value of t is 0. And if x is 7, upper limit x is 7, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, 4 equal to 40, so t is equal to 1. Then 1 becomes I is equal to, limit is from t equal to 0 to t equal to 1. So this is our first aim, because in the beta function, limit should be 0 to 1. So we converted its limit is 0 to 1. Second thing, x minus t. What is x minus t? It is nothing but 4t whole to the power 1 by 4 into 7. What is the value of x? X is equal to 4t plus 3, because if we replace minus 3 this side, then x is equal to 4t plus 3, again whole to the power 1 by 4, and dx is 4 dt. Let us simplify this part. 4t whole to the power 1 by 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4t whole to the power 1 by 3 and 4 dt, which is equal to, here 4 to the power 1 by 4, this 4 to the power 1 by 4 and 4 to the power 1. That's why we have taken this 4 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 outside the integration. What is remaining inside the integration? T to the power 1 by 4 and 1 minus t to the power 1 by 4. 4 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 4 upon 4 into integration of 0 to 1. This 1 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4 minus 1. So integration under the limit 0 to 1. T to the power 5 by 4 minus 1 into 1 minus t whole to the power 5 by 4 minus 1. Now if we compare this with the definition of beta function, m is equal to 5 by 4 and n is equal to also 5 by 4. Therefore, this can be written as beta of 5 by 4, 5 by 4. And the 2 square is nothing but 4 is 2 square, whole to the power 6 by 4. 2 to the power 2, 6 by 4 means it is 3 by 2. Then this 2 will cancel. 8 into 2 to the power 3 means 8. And beta of 5 by 4, 5 by 4 is gamma 5 by 4, gamma 5 by 4 divided by gamma 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4, which gives us 8 into gamma 5 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 1. Again, 1 by 4 plus 1. And this 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is 5 by 2, gamma 5 by 2. Again, we know about this formula, gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n. Therefore, it will become 1 by gamma 1 by 4 plus 1 is 1 by 4 into gamma n, gamma 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. Here 5 by 2 will convert it to gamma 5 by 4. 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Now we know that gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. Therefore, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, this 2 will cancel, 4 will cancel, and 8 by 4. So this 4 1s are and 4 2s are. In the numerator, we have 2. In the denominator, 3. And gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. And 1 by 4, gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4, 4 square. Therefore, the integration under the limit 3 to 7 x minus 3 whole to the power 1 by 4 into 7 minus x whole to the power 1 by 4 with respect to x is equal to 2 upon 3 root pi into gamma 1 by 4 whole square. Thank you.